evening. My son, Living Joy Alfonso, is not home. Okay, is not home. Um, there's a Lisin Poy, the retired man. Okay, the retired man. Lisin Poy, okay. This is latest little groceries. At home, Black Fort over Singapore. January 12, 2026. Okay, there's some cooking oil and detergent and tissue bags and coffee. Here we have some roti prata with the chicken and chicken. Okay, little groceries of it just now. And down here we have some, of course, my yesterday cake is there. Okay, eggs and juice and dessert for cocktail. Okay, and some vegetables, apples, and noodles down there. Okay, so enjoy, folks. That's latest for tonight. A little groceries at home. Black for the World Cup in Singapore. Okay, January 12, 2026. Enjoy Singapore.